welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be dropping my overnight oats recipe. This upcoming year, I'm going to start filming more side dishes and things that I make, like how I make my steak, how I make my garlic green beans, which are just so good. I'm not necessarily going to be doing a full-on spread because that's what I know I won't film because that's too much to film. So hopefully you guys are excited for future cooking videos. Today, I am showing you my overnight oats because one, I am not like the biggest breakfast person. When I am, I can't be having Eggs Benedict and mimosas every day. It's just not a thing. Two, if I am just really lazy, your girl loves a good microwave breakfast burrito. Yes, I admit it. I do. I love those things. Those suckers are so good. Plus, I totally get it. It's good to start your day with a good nutritious breakfast, get your metabolism going, get your day going. Plus, you're not like starving until lunchtime and then you just eat a bunch of crap you're not supposed to eat. So I have watched so many TikToks and YouTube videos on overnight oats. To be completely honest, one, I will make recipes and I'm like, I'm still starving. Your girl needs food. I need to eat. Why am I still hungry? Or two, I'm just eating it. I'm like, no flavor. Flavor? Flavor who? They didn't know flavor. It's like air. After watching so many damn videos, I decided, let me experiment myself. Let me see what I love. And this is my favorite combination. I'm probably on day 10 of eating this in a row. I actually didn't eat it this morning because I don't want to get sick of it because I don't know, I've just been eating it every single damn freaking morning that I actually crave it. Another good thing about overnight oats is you prepare it the night before. So if you're someone in the morning where you're kind of rushing or you don't want to waste time on making breakfast, it's already set and it's perfect. And you can keep it up to in the fridge, I would say at the most 3 days. But if you're like a texture person, you don't really like it mushy, I would just say, just eat it fresh the next day. That's what I usually do. The most I'll make is 2, and that's it. Like, I can't go on day 3. It's too mushy for me. Plus, the fruit's just kind of like, bleh. But you can always add in your fruits, like, after. So, there's all different types of ways you can do it, but this is how I make mine. All right, that's it. Let me know if you guys end up trying out this recipe, if you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Woo! I haven't done that in such a long time. Let's start off with the bowls. So I picked up 2 of these from IKEA and it's honestly the perfect size for overnight oats. I really love the wooden top, super cheap and affordable. Plus one night I didn't have a cutting board that was clean to cut my fruit and I flipped over the top and I felt like a full-on genius, like I invented something and I said, hey, you're gonna be my cutting board tonight, so just use the top. Yes, you're welcome. So now I'm gonna take half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats and your favorite milk, 1 cup. Now this is my favorite almond milk. Again, it's all personal preference, but all you need is just 1 cup. Now, people have issues with chia seeds. If you do, skip them. If you don't, add them. It's gonna keep you nice and full. Bob, look how cute he looks like in his little, little hat. Thank you, Bob. So I just eyeball it. Honestly, I just toss it in. I'll do like a teaspoon, sometimes half a tablespoon. But this is the star of the show, the vanilla jello mix or the cheesecake jello mix. They're both sugar-free and fat-free. So make sure you read the box. And all you need is 1 tablespoon per bowl. Only 1 flavor though. So I've been going in between cheesecake and vanilla and I think I prefer vanilla. The cheesecake flavor isn't too strong, which I was hoping it was because I mean, who doesn't love cheesecake? If you hate cheesecake, don't come for me. Then I just do a little dash of ground cinnamon, not too much because it can get overpowering. And then I'm gonna add in some bloobs. I love blueberries and strawberries. That's my fruit combo, like full on. So it can be like a berries and cream overnight oats or a berry cheesecake overnight oats. It's all up to you what you want to pick. See this strawberry? See how I have to dirty this whole entire cutting board? Again, it's for the video and I love you guys. But just use that cover. I'm telling you, I like never use a cutting board anymore and it saves so much time. And also I don't have to wash my cutting board. But again, just try out whatever mix you like from Jello. They also do have a sugar-free banana cream, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you guys know. Okay, then after this, when you pick your fruit of choice, which I prefer this also because it keeps their texture really well, give it a good mix. Oh, just kidding. We're gonna add a little drizzle of honey, just very little. Not too much because you already have the Jello mix. And then you give it a good mix. Make sure you get all those chia seeds because they tend to clump up, they want to be kind of cliquish and stay together, but just give it a good mix everybody's welcome to the party, okay? So people will say, leave it in your fridge for 4 to 5 hours, then enjoy, or 3 to 5. I'm not gonna make my overnight oats at 3 in the morning and enjoy it at 6 or 6:30. So I just make it overnight and I just let it sit in there and it's ready and it's good to go to enjoy. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like the next morning. I'm using this footage off my iPhone now, so that's why it's not as bright. It was early in the morning. I didn't set up the DSLR, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to enjoy my bowl. So you can eat it cold or room temp or warm it up. It's all up to you. I like it room temp or slightly warm, 22 seconds. Yes, I'm so specific with my microwave, but I like it a little bit warmed up. It's not bad cold, but it just doesn't warm you up in the morning, but it is so delicious. You'll actually eat it, you won't waste it, and bam. Yes, you're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you guys make it, and bon appetit, my sweets.